Okay, we have here another interesting integral from the MIT integration bee all the way back from 1991. We have the integral of 1 over square root of x times 1 plus square root of x dx. Okay, now one interesting thing to keep in mind, whenever you have square root in an integral, the derivative is kind of interesting, because if I just write this, if I take my x and I write it as x to the 1/2, and then we take the derivative of this, just using power rule, what you're going to get for this is 1/2 x minus 1/2, or you could write it as 1 over 2 square root of x. So just because when you take the derivative of the square root of x, you get back another square root of x, in a lot of cases it's good for a u substitution. I think that's what I want to try right here. So now for a u substitution, we could do a u substitution for square root of x, but because we have this 1 here, I'm thinking we can kind of just get this 1 for free. So what I'd like to do is make this whole thing my u. So let's see how this is going to work. If I just say, we'll set my u equal to 1 plus square root of x, then let's just take the derivative. So for du, when we differentiate this, 1 is just 0. Derivative of this is what we found right here. So that's going to be 1 over 2 square root of x dx. Well, we have the square root of x right here. I can just kind of create a 1 here, and I can kind of force this 2 in front. So if I do that, we have exactly our du right here. Now I don't want to change it, so let me multiply by 2 out front here just to cancel with this 2. And then we'll just go ahead with the substitution. So we're going to have our 2 out front. Everything here is going to be just du, and this thing is going to be just u. So we'll just go ahead and integrate. We'll have our 2. This is going to become natural log absolute value of u. Then we can just back substitute here to finish it off. So for my final solution, we're just going to have 2 natural log absolute value 1 plus square root of x, put a plus c, and that's almost. So just notice that square root of x is always positive, and we're adding 1, so this whole thing is always positive. Get rid of the absolute value. We can just use parentheses, circle it, and that's it. Okay, so there you have it. Quick integral from MIT 1991. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a good day.